sixth lesson. Okay, we've been talking about prefixes. Alright? And what's a prefix? We said a prefix is when you change the meaning of a word by adding letters to the front of the word. Okay? And letters to the front of the word change its original meaning.
Let's do the second thing. Let's see.
Okay?
A prefix is something put in a word
To change its
the
original
meaning.
Good job. Okay. So, one prefix that we learned was by. And we said that by means what, Fred?
Bi-weekly.
Bi-weekly, and that means every 2 what?
Week.
Every 2 weeks. Good job. Because by equals 2. Good job. And another one we said was miss. Good job.
Misunderstood.
Alright. And that means wrong. Alright? Wrong. So what's an example of a word with missing? You said it. Fred.
Mistake.
Mistake. Good job. Then we have another word. I mean another prefix.
Hold on, wait. Redo.
Okay, good job. Redo. So we have the re. Okay? Re. What does that mean? It means to do
Over.
or to do again. Okay? And that means again.
Like,
So,
you need to redo your game.
right. You need to redo or reset or restart. Good job. So we have by, miss, and re. And then we had
You said a new one.
this. We talked about that last week. And that means not. Not. That's right.
Not. Why do you not in your homework?
So think about the word disappear. What's the root word in disappear? Fred?
This appear.
Appear. Good job. So appear is the root word, and this is the what?
Prefix.
Good job. This is the prefix, and appear is the root word. So disappear is the root word. Appear is the root word, and this is the prefix. Okay? Alright, good job. Now, today, since we did all our things about prefixes, we learned about prefixes, we learned what a root word is, because we know that in the word restart, start is the what?
Again.
Root, but is it a root word or a prefix? Start.
Root word.
Root. And re is the what?
Prefix.
Prefix. Good job. Y'all doing an excellent job. Okay. Today we're going to make our books. Okay. These are our books that will have our prefixes in them. That anytime when you have to study for a prefix test, you just go back to your book and do your prefixes. Okay. Study your prefixes.
What are you trying to do?
Okay.
Oh, you're trying to do that to get it on a test.
Yeah, so we can do real good on our tests. Alright? So
that's why he's telling us.
Everybody's going to get a book. Okay? Everybody's going to get a book. That's yours. This one is yours. That's yours. Alright? But we have to make sure we do this in a neat way. Alright? Make sure we do it neatly. We don't want to mess it up.
I can do this with I can copy that and do right all those words at the line.
But you don't have to do it because I have them already cut for you. Okay?
That's what the glue for.
Right, that's what the glue is for. So we have our prefixes. Okay? And then we have pictures to represent these prefixes. Okay? So we have our pictures to represent the prefixes that we have here. Okay? Alright. So everybody's going to get
One word.
Or prefix. And the first one that I'm passing out is the prefix IM, IR, IL, and IN, which means not. Those prefixes all mean not. Okay? Alright.
What's another one? I love prefixes.
So, first thing I want you to do, I want you to take a little bit of glue.
Okay, right here. On the black stuff.
And put it on top. I'll just do this one for you. Put it there. Okay? So, you take your glue, Fred, put a little bit of glue on it.
Like that?
Yep. Not a lot.
Ta-da!
Right. And
A
the picture that we have to go along to represent that is this word that says impossible. Alright, this word says impossible. So you're going to put impossible up under the prefixes. Okay? So this is how you're going to set it up. You're going to take some glue. Fred, you're going to put glue on the back and then put it there. Okay? Put it up under the, put a little bit. Yep. Good. You don't need a whole lot of glue.
I'm putting it on the first page.
Put it right there. Put this here first. That's there.
What's in there?
That's right. Get up under there. Good job. Now I'm going to pass out all the ones that you need to do for the next page. Okay? The next one we have is this. Okay? And then we have a bunny rabbit and a hat, because what does
Disappear!
Right. A magician make a bunny rabbit disappear. Okay? Good job. So this, right. So this means not. Remember that? Okay. So you want to get one?
The blue line.
You want to get one?
We need to put it at the last. Hey, y'all,
You're
we
going
need
to
to put
get
it at
some.
the end.
Don't put a lot of glue. Remember, you don't need a lot of glue. Okay?
Hey, y'all, put it at all the way at the end. Come on, man. Is it blue? Pass it. Got it.
That's good. That's enough glue right there. That's a perfect amount. The next one that I'm going to give you is read. Read. So that means to do again or again. Okay? And we have a picture of a girl doing what? What's that? What is recycling. Good job. So we have read and a picture of a girl recycling. Okay?
Also. I want to tie it. Yeah, we need to tie it.
Yeah, we're going to put that on the front of the book. That's why I have this. And I'll let you write it on the front of the book.
Yay! I love recycling. And I love prefix. What? I really do.
phi, which means what?
Phi wiggly.
That means
Phi,
2.
2. Good job. So phi means 2. And then we have
Sickle.
a kid on a bicycle. Okay?
That don't look like a bicycle. It looks like a bike.
A bike is a bicycle. Okay?
But it got 2 wheels in the back. But that's not. It got 2 wheels. Only 2 wheels. And we got it at the back.
And it's a bicycle. 2.
I will pick him first. You made me turn like this is blue now, y'all.
That's good.
Pass it. Put the blue right there. I love, you know what I love now, y'all? It's got 2 cents. Prefix. I love prefixes.
Love prefixes. Okay, make sure you're doing it right.
What I put on?
That's a sticky.
Okay. Then the next one we have is on. And we said on means not. Alright, not. Okay?
Not no either. Like,
Okay.
say you don't want to have a, you're not saying that. Well, you get like, you would go do this.
Okay, that's uneven. Alright, good job. So we have not and so our word is on. And what is the zipper doing?
Zipping up.
Unzipping.
Unzipping. Good job. So we have unzipping. Alright?
Yay.
We have unzipping.
You're the best. You're the best.
Yep.
I love prefixes, y'all. Pass it. And then we got 3 more.
Yep.
And then we can get on the keyboard.
Okay, good job. Then we have a new one. I didn't really go over this one.
Pre.
Go ahead.
Prefix.
This is it.
It's just like prefix, but it's pre.
Right. And pre means before. Before.
But prefix.
Okay?
Oh.
Because under prefix, the prefix goes before the root word. Okay? You hear that, Amora? The prefix goes before the root word. So the word pre means before. Okay? So in movies, in movies, when you go watch a movie, you get to see a what before the movie comes on. What comes on before the movie?
Words.
The
Test.
preview. Yeah. So we have pre, which is before, and we have this picture that represents a preview. And when I give it to you, you'll see what it is. Okay. So you have pre, and then a picture of a preview. Do you see that before when movies come on?
Yeah, I see words. Like I see something. I see a zombie. Look, I see I see red stuff coming down and like blood and it just shows. Yeah, the movie come on. Come on, man. Put the slide on it.
Okay. And our last one,
Is misunderstood.
right? Like misunderstood and
Misunderstanding.
misunderstanding. Okay? But this picture represents a misstep.
Mistake.
Misstep.
Yes,
Because listen. If you take a misstep, you walking down the steps and you don't know that there's another step, what's going to happen?
you
You're going to fall. So a misstep is what this man is doing, and he's on his way to fall. Okay? So I'm going to give you miss, which means wrong. Miss, which means wrong. Okay? And the picture.
Be careful.
He's taking a misstep. Okay?
That looks like a step. That looks like you on the roof. Alone.
Like he's falling off the roof.
Yeah, look. Look.
Yeah, it does
That's the
look like
end.
that.
That's the end.
Like the ledge.
Yeah, that's the ledge. And you just. That's why he's doing that. Why you go to me? Me? Me. Got both.
Okay. Now flip on you. Now flip it over. Start from the beginning. And we're going to go through the words that we had. Stop. That's because we put too much glue and it comes out the sides. Alright. Now flip to the front.
The glue to new.
Okay. On the first one. The first one that we have are the not prefixes, which is IM, IR, IL, and IN. And our example is impossible. Okay? Impossible.
Impossible. Like that's impossible.
Right. And what's the root word? What's the root word in impossible? The root word.
Impossible.
Say it again.
Possible.
Possible. Good job. Go to the next page. Okay. Then we have the word or the prefix this. Okay, this. Right. Like in disappear. What's the root word? The root word.
Here.
Up here is the root word. And this is the prefix. Okay, which means not. Okay. Go to the next one.
Already got that.
And that one is re. And that means right. Recycle. And cycle is the what? And re is the what? Right? Re is the what? The prefix. Good job.
I got. I don't got these containers. I got a big garbage can.
And green.
It's green.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's green.
I have one too. Okay. Turn to the next. You have by. Go to by.
Sickle.
Okay.
Sickle is the root.
Right. Bicycle. Bicycle. And sickle is
Two.
right. Bi means two. And cycle or sickle is
Root word.
the root word. Good job. Get that, Craig? What's the root word in bicycle? The root word. Sickle. Okay? Or cycle. Sickle or cycle. And bi is the prefix. Good job. Go to the next one.
Zip.
Zip. Okay? Unzip. So zip is the
Root word.
root word. And is the prefix. Okay. Good job. Y'all doing real good. I
Because we
appreciate
want
that.
something tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't got no more.
Okay. There you go. You just skip the page.
Oh, I skipped a lot, baby.
Okay. Then we had before, which is pre.
Before you go to bed.
So preview.
Preview.
All right. That means that comes on before the movie. A preview comes on before the movie. Okay. So you have a picture of a preview. Then the next word you have is miss.
Mistake.
Right. Misstep.
Oh, yeah,
Because on
mistake.
the picture he's taking a what?
Misstep.
Right. He's taking a misstep.
But he's not on the steps.
So
Yes, he did.
he's stepping wrong.
No, see, he left the
Yeah,
car.
he's
But
stepping wrong.
he lives in a big building.
Yeah, he could be living in a big building.
It's tall. It looks like he's stepping off the roof, but it's like the stairs back there.
Right. Right. All right. So miss means wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, miss means wrong.
Oh, when you see that, that was like another building. And that was like a building too.
Is it like the top of a building?
Yeah.
Okay, it could be.
So we go follow the roof.
It could be. All right, he's probably walking off the roof. He's taking a misstep off the roof. Okay. Good job. All right, you can close your books.
Close my books.
Close your book. And I'm gonna let you, okay? And I'm gonna let you write your name with this marker
Which one?
on your book.
Is that?
And I want you to write on here this way. I want you to write it this way, okay? I want
Prefix.
you to write your name. Make it small so you can put your whole name on it.
My whole name?
Just your first name. Just your first name. Okay? So y'all did a good job learning about prefixes. Okay? Y'all did a good job learning about prefixes.
So you gonna give us
That's a song.
talk to someone?
All
You
right.
trying to record?
And then when it's time to take our test, our test in a couple
Get our
of weeks,
books.
you can take this home and you can practice it.
No,
Alright.
I'm not taking this home.
Practice.
I'm not lying.
Okay? Practice your prefixes.
Okay.
All right. Good job, fellas. High five. High five. Mark, leave your hand. Leave your hand.